Hello guys, welcome to very first video of 64 Tech Bits. Today we'll be looking on how to automate your X/Twitter account using X API and ChatGPT. So first thing first, you need to go on Google, search for X API, click on the first link, click on Developer Portal. Okay, this is login with your X account. Once you have logged in with your X/Twitter account, go down, sign up for free account. Click all these checkboxes, explain into 50 characters all the use cases, and click submit. Once you click submit, you'll find a developer portal just like this. So you have a default project. Click on settings, go and create a user authentication settings. Click setup. Give all the permissions, although direct message is out of context for this video, but give it. You have to set back to URIs. If you have any website, please do that. And if not, give a callback URI. So for now, I'll just give to random URLs. Okay. Oh, I need to select this too. So I'll go with native app. Click submit. Click save. Once you have done that, you'll find these two client IDs. Store the client ID and client secret in a new file. Once you're done with that, go to keys and tokens. Now, Auth 2.0 is not necessary for now, so go ahead and click all, generate all these keys and save them into the same file. Uh, Once we are done with that, we can move forward with next step. Once you have generated tokens, our next step is to you run the Python script. So here we go. I have written a Python script which uses 2EP library to automate everything. So if you want the script, you can follow me on Twitter and drop a DM. I'll give it to you. So let's run this. Now, as I said, every key has to be stored in .env file and also your OpenAPI key. So this program will use OpenAPI to request for tweet, and here it will make the call to the X API to make the tweets, right? So once you're done, all you have to do is simply go forward. So here I have run sample run, let's say N3, so it will run for 3 times. Okay, okay. So now let's check if I have all these tweets. Let's see, x.com. Well, here you go. It has made all the 3 tweets on itself. So that serves the purpose. If you want any detailed explanation on any of the topic, please let me know. I'll be very happy to help. So, and also I'll be dropping some random videos just like this. So subscribe the video and subscribe the channel and like the video for more such content. Thank you.